Guys, this side is a little trickier, but you guys are really smart, so it's not going to be a problem. All right, everybody say noun. Noun. That's a big fancy word. All it means is a person, a place, or a thing. So tell me, what's a noun? A person, a place, or a thing. Okay, now say verb. Verb, it just means an action word, like running, or drinking, or laughing, or singing. Things you can do. A verb means something you can do. All right? So, let's go to this first. Actually, no, let's look at the column. So this picture, this person is about to sit down, right? So let's sound this word out. So it sits. He sits. Say it with me. He sits. Sitting is something that you do. All right, now, look at the cats. Let's read this. Ready? Cats. 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 And there's an S on the end because there is not one cat. There is more than one cat. There are two cats. Okay, a cat is not something you can do. A cat is a thing, so it's a noun. Sitting is a verb. That's something you do. Cats are a thing. They are a noun. Don't worry, I'm going to help you. Come up to this DIPS. Ready? Dips. Dips. Jimmy dips his french fries in the ketchup. So if you dip, that's something you do. So that's an action. It's a verb. So let's come down here to where the person is sitting. And let's sound out dips, because dip is something you can do. Dips. Okay, cool. Now, cross that out and come over to the C. Ready? Sound it out. C-A-P-S. Ready? Caps. Caps. So a cap is another word for a hat. So it says caps. So that means more than one. It means a few caps. So that's not something you can do. Caps is a thing. So we're going to put it with the cats because it's a person or a place or a thing. This is a little tricky, I know, but you guys are smart. You'll figure it out. Let's do caps. Ready? Cap. And then there's more than one. Caps. Excellent. All right. Cross caps out. R-I-P-S. Sound it out with me. Ready? Rips. Elijah rips the paper. Oh, now ripping, that's something that you do. So that's an action. That's a verb. Rips. So we're going to come over to sits and dips. These are all actions. Let's do rips. Ready? It rips. Okay, cool. All right, now, M-A-T-S. Ready? Mats. Like if you have a whole bunch of yoga mats. So mats, is that something that you do, or is mats a thing? It's a thing. Yoga is something you do, but mats are a thing. So let's come into the thing column. Ready? Cats and caps. Let's do mats. Ready? Mats, because there's more than one. All right. Come to P-A-T-S. You ready? Pats. Pats. All right. Esperanza pats the dog. Pats. So patting, if you pat something, you go pat, pat, pat. That's something you're doing. That's an action. So let's come to our action. Sits, dips, rips, and now we're going to write pats. Ready? Sounds it out. Pats. All right. Very good. All right. T-I-N-S. You ready? Tins. Tins. All right, remember when I was talking about tin cans? Like if you have a can of corn, the can is metal, it's tin. So if you have a tin, you have a can. If you have tins, that means you have a few cans, right? So tins, that's not something you do, that's a thing. So we're going to put it with the things. We're going to put it with the cats and the caps and the mats. So let's write tins. Ready? Sound it out. Tins. Tins. All right, good. Okay, T-A-P-S. You ready? Taps. Taps. Watch this. Tap, 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 tap. That's definitely an action. Taraji taps the table. Okay, so taps is going to go with sits, dips, rips, pats. Let's do taps. Okay, say the sounds. Taps. Taps. All right, we'll cross that one out. Last one. B-I-N-S. You ready? Bins. Bins. Oh, in room 19, we have lots of bins. That's where we keep all the toys, right? So bins. Bins are things. They are the things that we put our toys away in. So that's going to go with the things, with the cats and the caps and the mats and the tins. So let's do bins. Ready? Bins. Bins. All right, guys. So let's just say this is sitting. That word says sits, but that kid is sitting. So remember, verbs are actions. They're things you do. Sitting, jumping, running, humming. And cats are things. They're a noun. Say noun. It just means it's a thing, or a person, or a place. Like I am a noun. Mrs. Crayson is a noun. The kids in the class are a noun. But also things like cats and caps and pencils and crayons. Those are things. All right, you did a super job. That was a real tricky one. Have a great day.